name is Adrian, and recently I found out about this website called DBrand. So I went on there just to see what my Xbox would look like if I put an orange base on the bottom, and it turned out it looks nice, so I decided to buy this and customize my Xbox. Okay, fine, since we're already on the website and most of you guys probably own a PlayStation, let's go see what this dumb PlayStation would look like if I add some color to it. And to my surprise, since the PlayStation have like a 3-layer cheesecake kind of design, it actually looks kind of good with some color on it. I'm kind of hating right now. Let's take a look at what comes inside this amazing looking package. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more of my videos. This is not my first purchase from DBrand. My iPhone also has a DBrand case and the MKBHD icon skin. The link to that video will be in the description below if you want to check it out. But this is what you get inside the package. You get a microfiber cloth to clean your console off before you apply the sticker, the base of the sticker that I ordered, and a single peanut. I actually tasted this peanut. It's not great.